So today, me and Jay are going to try camp in Simmons Yacht.
Yeah, we've asked him if we can borrow his yacht for a bit.
Yeah, he said no. Oh, that's a fucking stick to make into a stick. Ain't it? You're welcome. Who was that? I'll tell you what, it's a lot more fucking overgrown since the last time we were here. This is where we stayed.
I just here with the boat.
Yeah. I think we put our tent like here somewhere.
Did you have a fire?
That's not a bad place, is it? Nah, we didn't have a fire. That's not a bad place.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why you so much better than mine? I gotta wait.
We're right next to this fucking river. There you are.
There she goes.
Well, this is home. I don't know what the fuck is building. It's not a fucking seat. You're supposed to be building a seat, but that's not a fucking seat.
I was hoping that was like.
Dum, dum, dum,
That would
dum,
have been a
dum.
good idea.
Do you not have a jacket? Oh my Jesus Christ. What do you have then? Like,
That t-shirt,
yeah.
these shorts.
You don't have a hoodie?
Then I'll be warm anyway.
Oh dear. Maybe the campers have showed up. I feel like you overcomplicated that chair.
I was just trying to like build something like taller.
When
at the
I
back.
first looked over, you was doing like a circle, and I was like, oh, okay. Yeah. And then I looked over again, and you've made a fucking throne.
I was hoping that'd be like a back race and it'd stay there. Imagine me being like, oh, fuck it, let's go down a bit further away. Walk up here and see another tent.